Okay, next exercise, we are going to look at convert meters into feet. So this is going to be exercise 2.3. Let me hide the comments, then copy this exercise. We need the main methods. Let's look at input, process, output. For inputs, we need a number in meters. So let's say double meters. For example, 10.0 or 10.1. And outputs, we need one variable, double, feet, 0.0 default value. That depends on the constants. So constants, final, double, data type, and we will say meter to feet. That's going to be 3.2786. Okay, for process, we need to have send the input device using scanner. Name it as an input object using system int, system input device, and import Java util scanner class. Let's print one message. Enter a value for meter. So here is the one, meter. Input. We are going to process next, double. Then the calculation for feet with S, sorry. They should be out. Depends on meters multiplied by the constant 3.2786. So meter to feet. So let's process the output. System out, println meters first message, meter is plus feet, and then message, semicolon. That should be meters with S, okay. Let's say 10 meters is equal to 32.786 feet. That's all. Thank you.